Today we are going to do a JWT based authentication server. So here I have one microservice, block service. So usually in a real world scenario, we usually have two services. If I am a resource services like block service, if I am using a resource service like block service, I need another authentication server. So in usual cases, I will have another service here, authentication service. But in this scenario, I'm not going to create a authentication server. So in my case, I need only a blog service. I don't need anything more than that. So I thought I will integrate my authentication mechanism, JWT authentication mechanism, to this blog service. How we will do that? That's the question, right? So many ways we can do. I mean, it's very easy to do that actually. So if I have a Spring Boot application, probably I have these dependencies already defined. Spring starter web, Spring starter data, JPA, everything will be there, including the postgres or whatever database we are using. That also will be there in my project, right? So I don't need to care about anything other than that. So what else I need? That's the question. So I need spring security. So the spring security is the mechanism where it will provide the necessary things for JWT token, right? So I need to have spring security mechanism. So that's why I added the spring boot starter security. Then the other one is JWT. So JWT, I actually not added that things here, so I am trying to copy and paste that to here. Spring Boot, where is my Spring Boot security? Yeah, it is here. So I am adding here. So I have the JWT one. Yeah, it will ask for reloading my dependencies here. So just wait to get rid of this red. Yeah, right now it's fine. So that's the only thing I need. And then what else I need here? So that's the only dependencies we need. Right now we can go to the configuration. So some of the basic configuration things. So src main resources, I need to go to the src main resources. So it's very simple, just add the dependencies, that's it. Then we need to have some application properties changes. That's actually related to my data source URL. So this is actually my SQL one, so I need something different. I mean PostgreSQL applications load properties. So I will take from some other project right now. I have some other projects currently running on my side. I will take from that. Just wait. I will take that. Not right now. Yeah, I will take that right away. Where is my quick services? I am trying to do them. Okay, I got it. Just wait. Don't worry, I will be back. Okay, I have something here. I don't need any Eureka. I don't need anything else other than this one. So what I'm going to do is I will copy and paste this here. So here I have spring.jpa.hibernate.ddl-auto, everything is there. So basically it's fine. I need to remove this one, server.port. Probably I can keep this way. I mean, this is everything related to the postgres as well. We need only these things. Yeah, we need only these things, so that's fine. So so what are the steps we did? Like, we added security, spring security, and spring security test. Then we additionally we added this JWT, JSON web token dependencies. Other things are same. Then other than that, what I am going to discuss on this video. So tune for my next video. I will continue this application in the next video. So this is the thing that I am planning to do. So I will have usually, yeah, for a JSON web token, this is the structure, right? So for a payload, I will have a subject, scopes, and who is issuer. So here my company name, not company name, website name, and expiry time, and also issue at time. So that's all for today, and tomorrow I will come with some other, no, continuing with this one in tomorrow's video. So tune for my next video. We will go further from this step. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.